In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage Zoho bookings with Zoho CRM. This integration helps you connect appointment scheduling with your customer records so leads and contacts can see booking details without switching between different tools. To begin, open your Zoho CRM dashboard. From there, click Setup, which is the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This area is where Zoho CRM connects with other Zoho services, and it is also where you control most of the configuration settings for your account. Next, in the Setup menu, look for the Marketplace section. Under that section, select Zoho. This step matters because it filters the Marketplace options to Zoho applications, making it easier to find the correct tool for bookings. Now, locate Zoho bookings from the list of available products. When you find it, click Setup. After you choose Setup, you should see an option that says Check and Continue Install. Click that so you can proceed with the installation flow. Once the installation prompts appear, you will choose User Profiles. These determine which users in your CRM will have access to the integrated application. While you are choosing the profiles, also make sure to check the Terms box, which confirms you agree to the required conditions. After both of those are done, click Confirm to finalize the installation permissions. With the installation confirmed, you will then click Authorize at the top. This authorization step allows Zoho CRM to connect to Zoho bookings so that appointment data can flow between the two systems. After you authorize, the screen will redirect you to the Settings area. Take a moment to review that you are now inside the integration configuration page, since the next steps depend on being in the correct place. Now you can choose the CRM modules where you want booking information to appear. For example, you will select the Leads or Contacts modules depending on how your organization manages customer information. This selection controls which part of your CRM will show booking-related details and scheduling actions. After selecting the modules, you will map the Zoho bookings fields to your corresponding CRM fields. This means you connect the data points from bookings to the right places in CRM. When you finish mapping the fields, click Next to continue to the next configuration step. Next, you need to select User Permissions. This determines which CRM roles can manage bookings, such as scheduling, rescheduling, or canceling, depending on what the integration supports. Choosing the right permissions is important for both security and workflow, especially if different teams handle customer follow-ups. After setting permissions, click Save so the changes are applied. At this point, the integration is configured, and you should be able to interact with bookings directly from the selected CRM records. Now open any record in your selected Leads or Contacts module. Choose a lead or contact that you want to test with. This helps you confirm that the booking section appears as expected and that the data is accessible from within the record view. From inside the record, look for the Zoho Bookings section in the left Related List panel. Depending on your layout, you may need to scroll a little to find it. When you locate the Zoho Bookings section, you can schedule new bookings, reschedule existing ones, or cancel bookings as needed. This final step is where the integration becomes practical. Since everything is connected, your CRM users can manage appointments without leaving the customer record, which keeps your information organized and reduces errors caused by switching systems. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.